Okay, I'm filming this in case I electrocute myself. That's good. Okay, so the yellow wire is battery power, and that's this one. And the right side, the out, needs to be where the current is. So they test your current, and if the current is on the right side or the hot side, your wire needs to run this way. So this one is the one that's running on the ignition, when the ignition is on, so this one would be the red wire. Alright, so I have everything, the excess wire stuffed in here. I'll actually turn that upwards. This way. Alright, it's not perfect, but here's the forward cam. This is the backup, the back camera right there. And then I had the wire stuck up there under this. And then there's no room to put the wire inside here, so I use the clamps to hold it. And it goes down into the fuse box.